Do you think you know everything about garlic and olive oil? Prepare to be surprised. Today, we are revealing some ancient secrets that will change your health. A single clove of garlic contains over 100 active compounds that can affect everything from blood pressure to immunity. Researchers at Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health, 2021, found that people who regularly consume garlic experience measurable improvements in cardiovascular health. Here's where it gets interesting. These benefits multiply when garlic is combined with olive oil, especially EVOO, one of the most nutrient-dense oils on the planet. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Wellness Watchers TV. Many people think olive oil is just fat, or garlic is just a seasoning. Today, we will reveal the ancient secrets of these two superfoods. Stay tuned for some healthy recipes coming up soon. Here is how they boost each other's benefits. 1. Blood sugar control. Garlic contains allicin, sulfur compounds, and S-allylcysteine, all of which improve insulin activity. A 2020 National Institutes of Health review reported that these compounds enhance insulin sensitivity by improving glucose uptake in muscle cells. Olive oil, especially EVOO, adds oleic acid, which slows carbohydrate absorption and reduces after-meal glucose spikes. A 2021 Harvard Medical School metabolic study found that olive oil reduced the risk of type 2 diabetes by improving post-meal glycemic control. Together, garlic and olive oil help stabilize blood sugar, especially after age 50. 2. Supports healthy weight management. Garlic naturally boosts thermogenesis, the body's ability to burn fat. A 2022 University of Toronto nutritional biochemistry study found that garlic extract improved fat breakdown and suppressed hunger hormones such as ghrelin. Olive oil complements this action by increasing fat oxidation, the burning of fats for energy, as shown in a 2022 University of Barcelona clinical review. But that's not all. A healthy fat source like olive oil keeps you fuller longer, reducing cravings and helping adults over 50 avoid weight gain. 3. Helps reduce joint pain. Garlic's allicin has been recognized for lowering inflammatory markers in the body. A 2019 Cambridge Rheumatology Review, UK, confirmed that consistent garlic consumption decreased joint stiffness and pain intensity. Olive oil contains oleocanthal, a natural anti-inflammatory compound that works similarly to ibuprofen. This was confirmed by a 2019 University of Sydney pharmacology study showing oleocanthal inhibits COX-1 and COX-2 enzymes responsible for inflammation. When combined, garlic and olive oil create a powerful anti-inflammatory effect that eases joint discomfort, especially after age 50 when osteoarthritis becomes more common. 4. Promotes healthy digestion. Garlic contains prebiotic compounds that feed beneficial gut bacteria and help eliminate harmful pathogens. A 2021 National Institutes of Health study found that garlic increased levels of beneficial gut bacteria. Olive oil supports digestion by triggering bile release, improving nutrient absorption, and lubricating the digestive tract. A 2020 University of Toronto gastroenterology review linked olive oil to improved intestinal motility and relief from constipation. Together, this combination supports smoother digestion, reduced bloating, and promotes a healthier gut ecosystem. 5. Supports heart health, especially after age 50. The heart ages naturally, but garlic and olive oil provide protection. Garlic helps reduce LDL oxidation, a major cause of arterial plaque. The British Heart Foundation in 2020 confirmed that garlic extract improved arterial flexibility in adults over 50. Olive oil's polyphenols decrease inflammation in blood vessels and increase HDL, good cholesterol, levels. A 2021 Harvard School of Public Health study found that higher olive oil intake lowered cardiovascular disease risk by 21%. When combined, they create one of the most heart-protective natural combinations. 6. Improves blood pressure. Garlic increases nitric oxide production, which relaxes arteries. A 2021 study by the University of Adelaide in Australia showed that garlic extract lowered systolic blood pressure by up to 10 millimeters of mercury. Olive oil helps maintain arterial elasticity, reducing peripheral resistance. A 2020 American Heart Association study found that EVOO consumption improved endothelial function in older adults. Together, they help maintain healthier blood pressure, especially after age 50. 7. Enhances immune system defense. Garlic increases immune activity by activating the immune cells that fight off infections and protect the body. A 2022 University of Toronto immunology study found that garlic enhanced immune cell responsiveness by nearly 30%. Olive oil improves T-cell function thanks to its polyphenols, as shown in a 2020 Spanish immunonutrition review. But that's not all. Together, they help older adults strengthen their immune defense against infections, viruses, and chronic inflammation. 8. May reduce cancer risk. Garlic compounds help prevent carcinogen activation in the stomach and colon. A 2020 World Health Organization Global Cancer Review found garlic intake was associated with decreased stomach and colorectal cancer risk. Olive oil reduces the risk of breast and colon cancer due to its phenolic compounds, according to a 2021 study by Harvard Oncology. Here are a few healthy recipes. Try adding garlic-infused olive oil to salad dressing, roasted vegetables, baked potatoes, breakfast toast, warm soups. Precautions. Here are a few precautionary notes. Avoid eating garlic on an empty stomach if you have sensitivity. People on blood thinner medication should consult their doctor. Always choose high-quality olive oil for maximum benefits. Limit intake if you experience bloating or reflux. Never heat garlic or olive oil on extremely high heat. Heat destroys their active compounds. Garlic and olive oil are not just kitchen staples. They are ancient medicines backed by powerful modern research. From heart health to digestion, blood sugar control to immunity, this combination supports your body from the inside out, especially after age 50. Thank you for watching. Share your experience with garlic and olive oil in the comments and explore more science-based health videos right here on the Wellness Watchers TV. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share the video with family and friends, and subscribe for more informative wellness content. Until next time, stay well.